समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द पीएमए समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड। Sri Lanka, officially the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, is an island country in South Asia located in the Indian Ocean southwest of the Bay of Bengal and southeast of the Arabian Sea. It is geographically separated from the Indian continent by the Gulf of Myanmar and the Palk Strait. India-Sri Lanka relations are diplomatic relations between India and Sri Lanka. Only 4% of Sri Lanka have a negative view on India, the lowest of all the countries surveyed by the IPOS Global Scan. The two countries are also close on economic terms, with India being the Iceland's largest trading partner and an agreement to establish a proto-signal market also under discussion at an advanced stage. Diplomatic ties between Sri Lanka and China have been very close, especially during Sri Lanka Freedom Party government on February 1957. China and Sri Lanka established diplomatic relations. The China-Sri Lanka relations refers to bilateral relations between the People's Republic of China and Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. There is a Chinese embassy located in Colombo and a Sri Lankan embassy situated in Beijing. Historical and cultural ties between the two countries extend back hundreds of years. Country PM Modi said this is the day to increase family bonding. Education news: in Andhra Pradesh, the class 10th board exams have been cancelled. Made clear in India that Galwan was our event today. It is our event today. It will be our tomorrow. Out of 190 countries in the world, 184 countries are separated from India. China is separated. Opposition to Chinese goods continuing in India. Sacraments: PM Garib Kalyan Yojana launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Khazariya in Bihar. Environment: Balan River is a river in Indian states of Uttar Pradesh. It is famous for prehistoric sites on its bank. It originates from western part of Sonbhadra district, then flows in southern part of Mirzapur and Prayagraj districts. State: Arunachal Pradesh is the northeasternmost state of India. It borders the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares international borders with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and a disputed border with China in the north. At the McMahon line, Itanagar is the state capital of Arunachal Pradesh, which is the largest of the seven sister states of Northeast India. Crops: the soybean is a species of legume native to East Asia, widely grown for its edible bean, which has numerous uses. Traditional unfermented food uses as soya beans include soy milk, from which tofu skin are made. Soya beans contain significant amounts of phytic acid, dietary minerals, and B-vitamins. Fruit: a walnut is the nut of any tree of the genus Gulzans, particularly the Persian or English walnut, Gulzans regions. A walnut is the edible seed of drupe and thus not a true botanical nut. It is commonly consumed as a nut. The benefits of walnut: rich in antioxidants, may decrease inflammation, promotes a healthy nut. Flower: Bachellia nilotica or babul is a flowering plant tree in the family Fabaceae. It is native to Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. It is also a weed of national significance in Australia as well as federal annoxious weed in the United States. Yoga Chakrasana upward flaming bow pose is an asana in yoga as exercise. It is a back bend and is the first pose of the finishing sequence in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. It gives great flexibility to the spine. In acrobatics and gymnastics, this body position is called a bridge. The benefits of Chakrasana: beneficial for the heart. It strengthens the back, keeps spine flexible. Universe: Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in the Mahalnagar Himal sub-range of the Himalayas. The China-Nepal border runs across its summit point. Mount Everest attracts many climbers, some of them highly experienced mountaineers. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillard made the first official ascent of Everest in 1953 using the southeast ridge route. Maths: applied mathematics is the application of mathematical methods by different fields such as physics, engineering, medicine, biology, business, computer science, and industry. Thus, applied mathematics in a combination of mathematics, science, and specialized knowledge. The term applied mathematics also describes the professional specialty in which mathematicians work on practical problems by formulating and studying mathematical models. Ayurveda: Virginia tinstoria pala indigo plant or dire oleander is a flowering plant species in the genus Virginia, found in India, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It is found in dry and moist regions. In its distribution, various parts of the plant have been used in traditional medicine, but there is not scientific evidence it is effective or safe for treating any disease. Village City: Gilgit is the capital of Gilgit-Baltistan, a territory in Pakistan administered Kashmir. The city is located in a broad valley near the confluence of the Gilgit River and Hunza River. Gilgit is a major tourist destination in Pakistan and serves as a hub for trekking and mountaineering expeditions in the Karakoram range. Rajya Sabha or Council of States is the upper house of the bicameral Parliament of India. It currently has a maximum membership of 245, of which 233 are selected by the legislatures of the states and union territories using transferable votes through open ballot, while the president can appoint 12 members for their contribution art, literature, science, and social services. Member seats for its strategized terms lasting 6 years, with elections every year, but almost a third of the 230 designates for election every 2 years. Specifically, in every numbered years, the Rajya Sabha meets in continuous sessions, and unlike the Lok Sabha, being the lower house of the Parliament, the Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the Parliament, is not subjected to dissolution. However, the Rajya Sabha, like the Lok Sabha, can be prorogued by the President. Today's event: World Music Day, World Yoga Day, OPTism Day. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius, in Delhi 31 degrees Celsius. Weather news: relief from heat in Delhi, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. These states will have strong rays. Sports news: the good news between Corona is that the T20 league can start in Sri Lanka from August. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. Maa Bharati ki jai.
Om Dyo Shantirantariksha Om Shanti पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः